Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just out for another cruise. It's a nice clear day out today. We got a little bit of rain last night, so it knocked down some of the smoke, and with it being nice and clear out today, I figured we'd take a ride up to Whiskeytown Lake and ride all the way around it. Make the Whiskeytown Loop, I guess we'll call it. I'm just taking some back roads to get up there. We're gonna cross over the Sacramento River a couple times on this road. Yep, GoPro settings make a big difference. The Moose on the Grind. Anybody know what movie that's from? Leave a comment in the section down below. The Moose on the Grind. I have a terrible, what is it, Scottish accent? I'll give you a hint. The Rock played in that movie. Narrow Bridge. Ooh, an old school bridge. Little baby creek. I wonder if there's any gold down in them creeks. So the last time I was up here at Whiskeytown Lake, I got a flat tire. So let's cross our fingers and hope that does not happen again. Visitor center. Yeah, so this road to the left is a back road that I took to get up here last time. And then I sat right here. Yep. Sweet. Let's take a break for a minute. John F. Kennedy Memorial Plaque. That's pretty cool. Nice day to be riding around Whiskey Town. Makes me want to stop and get a little flask of whiskey to be drinking tonight. I could go for is it Lagavulin 18? Or some Woodford Reserve. What's your preferred whiskey? Leave a comment down below. Give me some more ideas of some whiskeys to try. So on our way back, that's going to be the bridge that we're going to come back across over that way. I want to go up into the hills. You can see a road going up that way and then another one coming down. I'll have to look on a map and figure out how to get to those. I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. Let us check the map. Here, you go to the right up here. Yeah, I didn't know if there was going to be any dirt roads or anything on this little trip, but we got lucky. At least it's awesome riding. It's a little overcast. Feels like it's only about, I don't know, 85 degrees out right now. Great day to be on the back roads. Look at that. That is cool. Stop and take a photo. Yep, still recording. It's reasons like these that I love dual sporting. I mean, how cool is that? Oh, another photo op. Excuse me. Make sure the lens is clean. Yeah, pretty sweet views. And back down the mountain. Yeah, being able to, well, not being able to, but standing up with the bar risers are, well, it's much more comfortable now. Pretty cool. Oh, the sun's right in the way. Those are big pipes. Go inner tubing down inside one of those. Well, that was a fun little trip. Got some killer views. cars, some awesome weather. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Please give that thing a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell at the bottom right, and I will see you all on the next video. That's all folks, goodbye.